Hey, and what's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's very quick and easy tutorial, I'm gonna show you what is, in my opinion, the easiest way to draft a fitted bodice block. So if you want to sew a nice fitted top, this is essential for you to have. I never drafted this for myself till this day, and I've been sewing for a good year now. So yeah, I'm finally doing it, and I thought I might as well show you how. So yeah. So you will need 9 measurements for this, and I know it sounds like a lot, but it's really not. So you will need circumference of your upper chest or upper bust, your bust, waist and hip. Then you will need your shoulder to upper chest, shoulder to bust, shoulder to waist and shoulder to hip measurement. And the last one is the nipple to nipple measurement. With all these measurements, we can start drafting. Okay, so to start, if you're working on a paper, first make a vertical line with your shoulder to hip measurement like this. Then, always going from that top mark, from the shoulder mark, mark shoulder to bust measurement and shoulder to waist measurement. And square across like this. Then divide your bust measurement by 4 and mark it down on a bust line. For the waist, I divided the waist measurement by 4 and I added 3 centimeters to it for the dart. Don't forget to divide the hip measurement by 4 too and mark it down on a hip line. Your bodice will look slightly different than mine, obviously, so don't mind that, but you want to connect all those points. Then for the neckline, you want to mark 7.5 centimeters on both vertical and horizontal lines and connect the points with a curved ruler like this. Then on the shoulder horizontal line, going from that curved point, mark another 12.5 centimeters and then go down from that point and mark 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch like this. Then just draw in the shoulder. I then divided my upper bust measurement by 6 and I added 4 centimeters to it for the ease. Then draw a vertical line down going from that shoulder point with that final number. Then make a horizontal upper chest line that meets the shoulder vertical one and then add 1 inch for an ease. Then just connect those points. Then you have to find the middle of that shoulder line, and once you do, you're gonna draw a 1.5 centimeter or 5/8 of an inch horizontal little line from that point like this. Then you're simply gonna connect all 3 points, making an armhole. For the dart, you need to divide your nipple to nipple measurement by half, mark it on the bust line like this, and square it down. In the beginning, I added 3 centimeters for my dart, so on my waistline, I marked 1.5 centimeter on both sides from that nipple mark. Then here I am marking 2.5 centimeters from the bust line down like this, and I am marking 5 centimeters up from the hip to indicate where dart start and end. Then I just connected all those points and the front bodice was basically done. For the back block, you wanna mark 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch down on the shoulder line and draw a curve like this. Then I drew in a new back armhole like this, and I marked 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch down from upper bust and drew in a back dart like this. And it is basically done. I might play with it and tweak it a little bit more, but yes, in general it's done, and this is what the final product should look like once you add the seam allowance to it. Okay, so that's it for today. I finally have the block that I can hopefully use in future projects, And I'm hoping that this was useful and it helped you too to create one for yourself. And yeah, if you guys liked this video and it was useful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye!